There are many villages and towns that can boast beautiful historic houses and famous past residents, but very, very few communities actually are nestled in 2,000 acres of wilderness, and that really is what makes Tuxedo Park unique. Tuxedo Park is only 45 miles north of Manhattan. By car, it's less than an hour. We have more than 450 species of plant and some 200 species of birds and mammals and reptiles and nearly 150 species of butterflies and moths. Tuxedo Lake is a symbol of the community, it's the soul of the community, and it is a perfect representation of biodiversity. Ensconced completely within the Ramapo Mountains, Tuxedo Park was created by the glacial process. So geologically, we are something like 1.2 billion years old. Living with nature is not easy. And I think in this day and age of a very individualist era, a lot of people really don't understand that. The architects in the old days, they basically built their structures to have a very close symbiotic relationship with the natural topography and with the natural landscape. I'd like to think that living in Tuxedo Park, one has to think of ourselves not as property owners, but really as stewards. And nature needs to be taken care of, it needs to be conserved. And that is why it's so important for us to preserve the natural environment and hopefully to enhance it, to pass it down to future generations.